Tutorial of admin top menu bar and SLA setup. First, click on Organization button. After that, side menu also changes. Let's take a look at the company details first. Here, the admin can get a snapshot of the overall company info. Moving on, there's a button for licenses, where the admin can find details about the TMS license and toggle the controller on or off. Next up is the Employees directory, which gives the admin access to employee info like their emails, phone numbers, and departments. After that, we have the Roles section, where the admin can see and manage the active and inactive status. Then, there's the Reporting structure, which displays the hierarchy in a tree format, and it's created on the data added in Alpine Store. Following that, we have the Categories section, where any categories added will show up when creating tickets. The email settings are next, allowing the admin to set up notification ecosystem, with options for editing later. Notifications for status changes and toggle on or off the role access for getting notification. After that is the Calendar feature, where the admin can manage working days, update or add holidays, and set office hours, as these details impact SLA and ticket response times. Also, you can mark a day permanent off or on just by simple toggle on/off button, and it will reflect immediately in above calendar. Finally, we have the SLA configuration, where the admin can establish response and resolution times for controllers and technicians, based on priority levels: low, medium, high, or urgent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.